A dyma Pŵl ar ôl y sgellwr ar y dde. Kenny yn y canol, Pŵl yn mynd i hunan, tynnu'r bêl nôl! O, mae'n arbediad da gan Archie Matthews. Y cyfle'n dod i Kenny, ond rhediad pwrpasol cryf gan Declan Pŵl yn creu y cyfle. Kirkhoff yn mynnu'r bêl. Nôl at Miles Davis, mae'n edrych i fyny. Neb ar gael yn y canol hyd yn hyn. Elliot Richards. O, mae'n groesiad da! Bêl yn rhydd! A Lewis Webb, bêl yn adlamu. Ydy wedi croesi'r linell. Os yna lawio, wel, dim byd yn cael ei dyfarnu. Y cyfle gorau i Pen-y-bont yn y gêm. Pen-y-bont yn methu manteisio a'r sgôr yn parhau. Pen-y-bont dim, Cei Connah dim. Little yn troi, Henry Jones ar gael. Jones yn disgwyl yr hediad gan Mark Little, y bas o'i flanau, ond mae'n parhau i fynd, Mark Little, heibio i Disney, yn tynnu'r bêl yn ôl, a Ryan Reynolds i ergyd, yn cael ei gwyro allan, a cyfle arall i Pen-y-bont yn diflannu, y gwaith caib ar haw gan Mark Little, a Ryan Reynolds bron yn rhwydo'i drydydd gôl o'r tymor. Rhyddid y stadiwm allan ar yr asgell dde. Mae'n croesi mewn! A pwy arall? Ond Michael Wilde yn 20 oed yn penio heibio i Archie Matthews ac yn sicrhau'r pwyntiau llawn i Cei Connah. Davies yn edrych yn rhy agos at Firth yn gwneud môr y mynydd wrth ddyrnu'r bêl yn glir. A Miles Davis. O, mae'n y chwaraewyr yn tyrru tuag at Miles Davis. Oedd y dacl yn un hwyr. Mi fydd hi yn gerdyn. Harry Franklin sydd ar lawr. Ond chwaraewyr Cei Connah ddim yn helpu pethau wrth rithro draw. Melyn i Miles Davis am y drosedd. Mae Hugh Jones yn cerdded ar draws. A Declan Pŵl yn gweld ail gerdyn Melyn. A coch i Pŵl. Little tu ôl yr amddiffyn. Mae'n mynd i'r llawr. Ac mae yna drosedd yn cael ei dyfarnu. A mae Hugh Jones yn penderfynu i bod i ymyl y Cwrt Cosby. Wel, o'n i'n meddwl i bod i yn y Cwrt Cosby. Mae rhaid i fi gyfadde. A mae yna brotestiadau mawr ar yr ystlys. A i chi'n gallu gweld pam yr eiliadau ola. Owen! Yn tyrannu'r bêl mewn. Mae'r bêl yn tasgu allan. Mae Miles Davis yn casglu. Mae pawb arall yn y Cwrt Cosby. Mae Davis yn mynd i hun. Mae'r ergyd yn isel. Mae'n torri'n garedig. Nôl mae'n dod at y canol. Peniad allan. Raffel! A'r arbediad yn un rhyfeddol. Gan Andy Firth. Raffel yn troi ar ei drod dde. Yr ergyd yn hedfan tuag at y rwyd. Ond Andy Firth yn hedfan i'w chwith. Ac yn cadw Cei Connah ar y blaen.
Very, very tight game. Well contested. I thought there was nothing between the two sides. Probably always one goal was going to win it. We had our chances and they took theirs.
It was the same old story, really. It was a stout defensive performance, but you failed to take those chances, particularly at the beginning of the second half.
Yeah, we had our chances, and I wouldn't say we've always been defensively solid this year. There's been times when we've scored goals and leaked them at one end, and today we were really solid. I thought we were on for a third clean sheet in a row, but unfortunately they nicked one. But I think, yeah, we can feel really hard done by today. And you can tell how tight a game it was by the way they've reacted to the 3 points.
It's a very difficult place to come. You know, it's in terms of the journey and the fact it's the last game and you're here at 5:15, so it's a long time hanging around for our players and our staff. And we know there's just a really strong team to come up against, but the character of our team shows through, and there's a reason why we are 10 points clear in second place at the moment. It's because of that character and the ability and the quality within the team. And we felt like, you know, things went against us a little bit in terms of some of the decisions early on in the game, so we felt like in the scheme of things a lot got against us. So for us to be able to produce that result under you know that amount of stress and those conditions, we're delighted with that, and it's a credit to everybody in the dressing room.
Obviously they were playing for a top 6 place, And we knew that. Pen-y-bont are a good team. You know, they've got threats everywhere around the pitch, and you know they can hurt you if you can allow them to play. But I think that the way that we set up as a team, we tried to nullify them, especially in the first half. We had a couple of chances ourselves. Don't think they had many. And then the second half, they created a couple of chances. We cleared a couple off the line, some last-ditch defending, and Furphy's made a good save at the end. So tough place to come. It's always a tough place to come, but we're really happy with the 3 points and a clean sheet.